Go.
No one distributes with my lightning bolt. The Lightning Thief, starring Retarded Jackson.
Give me the lightning bolt.
Screw you!
I am your father.
I don't give a crap. Holy! Oh!
I am Hades. Give me the lightning bolt.
How about you light your ass on fire?
Ah! I am Zeus. Give me the lightning bolt, you. Oh!
Get over here, you mother.
Ah! Why are you touching me, you retard? Ah!
I shall do the final blow. My lightning bolt. Dumbasses. I'm Annabeth, the son of Athena. Will you help me? Now it's time for the ultra smack. This day belongs to Percy Jackson. I mean, Retarded Jackson. Part 2 of Percy Jackson. Retarded Jackson meets. Retarded Jackson meets middle.
Oh, I can't see. You. No. No. Oh. Oh my. Oh. Ah, my snakes.
Oh, not looking, not looking, not looking. What the heck? Johnny Medusa! Get off my lightning bolt! Medusa, sorry, I would not do anything. Retarded Jackson, Part 3. Retarded Jackson fights
Cyclone Head Dragon.
the dragon thingy. Oh crap. Why are you touching me?
When do dragons talk?
Because, oh look, it's a turd.
Yeah.
Kill dragon. Look at Medusa's head. That was easy.
Bat. Butthole.
Part 5. Retarded Jackson fights Hades. What happened?
Nothing.
Hades turns gay. Hades! That's it, buddy.
Why are you touching me?
No, don't. Electrical shock. Right through the bunghole, too. I lost my one piece of my lightning bolt. Tweave together. Okay, let's finish. Percy Jackson gets RAPED by Zeus. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Oh, you racist! Why did you stick it in there? You're supposed to die. Ah!
Wee.
Wee. Oh, turn it off. Oh, yes. The end. The end. The end of the retard. The end. The end. The end. What a bummer. What the heck? Can't find your mouse. Oh, there it is.